Hello, welcome to this tutorial video on composing your 6-word memoir, a visual and creative assignment with Miss Hamilton. Let's look at our instructions together, and you have a copy of these exact instructions today. In a memoir, a person shares the story of their life. Looking back, what mattered most? What relationships, events, decisions, jobs, trips, choices, and situations affected them? How did they grow and change based on these experiences? You may have read some famous memoirs like Becoming by Michelle Obama or I Am Malala or Walden by Henry David Thoreau. A memoir does not have to be about everything that's happened in a life. It can focus in on one important relationship, one big event, or one era in a person's life. For this mini memoir project, you can decide whether to focus on one part of your life or try to cover a few different important elements of your own history. But here's the trick. Your memoir is going to be just 6 words long. Think about your own life and decide whether you want to focus in on one vital moment or relationship, or if you want to try and cover 6 different important elements of your life. Whatever you choose, use some scratch paper like notebook paper to brainstorm keywords that you might use in your 6-word memoir. Your memoir could be a sentence like, "The day she arrived, everything changed." Or you could choose to have a series of keywords, things like hobbies or important people or interests, like tennis, journalism, Sarah, frosting, meditation, photography. Once you choose your 6 words, you'll letter them onto your template in the 6 rows going down. You can put your word in the first or second box in each row, and then in the adjoining box in each row is a space for you to illuminate or illustrate the important words, however you wish to do so. You can add words of explanation, quotes, descriptions, drawings, symbols, icons, even bits of collage or photographs if you would like. The idea is to use color and creativity and specific word choices to represent yourself and your story through both your 6 words and your illustrations of those words. So here we have our template. You can decide where you want to put the word and the illustrations. We also have on the back of this handout some suggestions or ideas for your visual 6-word memoir. If you're just going to do 6 words or 6 elements, you might choose words that have to do with dreams or goals, words that represent your career interests, travel, a favorite place you've been, important events or an important person in your life, maybe a favorite sports team or a hobby that you have outside of school. Things that are important to you, a value like forgiveness, a favorite color, or even people or events that are happening in the past or now that are inspiring you. If you want to do something a little more sophisticated, like a 6-word sentence memoir, you're going to craft the 6-word sentence that focuses in on something that's specific to your life, events, or values, and then you'll create illustrations for each word. So here are some examples of 6-word sentence memoirs. I am more than a twin. Surfing life's ripples, looking for waves. I have time to fix this. Car totaled, lives spared, forever grateful. Zen gardener, can you dig it? So as you can see, you have a lot of choice in creating your visual 6-word memoir. If you need assistance, please ask for help, and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for listening to this video tutorial on creating your 6-word memoir.